Hello and welcome to Escaping Anuj. Today we are heading towards Bangkok, back to Bangkok from Pattaya. This is the terminal for Bangkok, Pattaya to Bangkok. Buses, you will get buses from here. And I am with my coolest buddy.
Hello everybody.
He's Shehroz, he's from Pakistan and we are enjoying our time. We had a lot of conversations together and we are heading towards Bangkok from Pattaya. This is Pattaya terminal. We are enjoying our journey. Shehroz was here for his holidays and we enjoyed a lot last night. We had a very good time together and you can't even think how India and Pakistan can unite like this. It's just the politicians who are just making us separate, who are just making us different, but we are the same. We have no difference. We speak the same language, we use the same slangs. We are both made for each other.
Yes.
This is how the building looks here in Pattaya, just beside this bus terminal. There are trees in the middle of this building. Here we have some bus station, some fuel stations, grocery stores. This is how it looks like. And I am having a fun journey. I only went to the big Buddha temple here in Pattaya and it's time for me to go back to Bangkok. Yeah, Bangkok.
Bangkok.
No, bus.
You have ticket?
No,
No ticket?
book.
Oh.
Book. Bus terminal. So we are going to check where will we get the bus from, and we also need to take the ticket. From Bangkok to Pattaya it was 143 baht and I don't know how much baht it will take from here to Bangkok. So this is where we will get the ticket from. Bangkok, yeah, Bangkok. The bus is Ikamai. This is when the next bus will arrive. And
attention please, passengers who are traveling to Ekamai at 9:10 p.m. please board the bus number 4A-25 at gate number 1. Thank you.
so the ticket for Bangkok is 131 baht from here. So if you're in Pattaya, you just have to search for North Pattaya bus terminal, and from North Pattaya bus terminal you will get the bus towards Bangkok. And this is for Bangkok, Ikamai, and this is for Mushit. This is Hua Hin. Here we have a grocery store in the bus terminal. People waiting for the bus. This is the bus, Bangkok to Pattaya, Pattaya to Bangkok, Bangkok to Pattaya. The same bus runs and people waiting. Here we have some food to take for our journey. Beautiful, vibrant color buses. दो ले ली पाजी. अने मैं लेता हूँ. हाँ मैं लेता हूँ. So I have to take the tickets for Bangkok. Shehroz took his ticket because he was willing to pay in cash, and I will pay by card if they accept.
9 p.m. Last bus.
So this is how the ticket looks like, and it says the bus is of 9 p.m. and it costs 131 baht. Please carry the change. They don't give the change and they don't accept cards, so bring cash. And yeah, this is how the bus loads up. And this is how it looks like. People waiting for the bus. I kept my bag with Sharoz bhai. He's an amazing guy. He's an amazing guy. I'm enjoying my time with him. I was about to stay in Pattaya for more 2-3 days, but I met Sharoz bhai and he said, no, you have to stay with me in Bangkok, and we will be going to stay in the same hostel where I was. It is Slumber Party Hostel. If you are looking for the cheapest hotel or hostel in Bangkok, do book from booking.com. It is not a sponsored video, but if you really want to book cheapest hotels and hostels, do visit booking.com. It is really helping me. I'm having a great time with Sharoz bhai. So last night we were roaming around, we were seeing the city. It was amazing. We have the same slangs, like the slangs we use in India is the same as Pakistan. So we are very united now. And I love Pakistan. I love India, I love Pakistan, I love every country. It's just the politicians, media who are spreading the hate towards one another. Loving it. We have boarded on the bus and the air conditioned air is very cold. It's very, very cold. I don't know how to set the temperature because this temperature setting system is not working. Sharoz bhai is with me and this is how the bus looks like. After a very smooth ride of that bus from Pattaya to Bangkok, I am finally in Sukhumvit. I am at the Ikimai metro station right now, and from here I have to go Khao San. So it was amazing. The ride was amazing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment whatever you like and ask me. You can ask me any question, any query about your Thailand trip and I'll be helping you. I'll be there to help you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Signing off from Ikimai metro station.